For 2 years, I was obsessed with being right. I thought the secret to making money trading gold was simple. Outsmart the market, hit an 80% win rate, be precise, be perfect. So I chased it. I held losing trades for hours and whispering to my screen, just turn around, just this once. But it never did. And the truth, the moment my profits actually exploded, was the moment I accepted something that shattered my ego. You don't get paid for being right. You get paid for being disciplined. Today, I'm going to show you the exact mindset shift that turned me from an emotional gambler into a calm, consistent trader. It always started the same way. A perfect setup on XAUUSD. Clean break. Beautiful retest. Everything aligned. Checklist, done. Confidence, high. Ego, even higher. I'd enter the trade and instantly start imagining the profit. But then the market would turn, and that's when the real problem began. The stop loss I carefully placed, it suddenly felt negotiable. It's just a pullback. They're hunting stops. The real move hasn't started yet. So I moved it. A little lower, then a little more, until that small, controlled loss turned into something heavy, something suffocating. Hours passed. I was glued to the screen, heart racing, mind trapped. That one trade owned me. And it wasn't just money anymore. It became personal. A red P&L didn't mean I lost a trade. It meant I was wrong. And I hated that. So what came next? Revenge. After finally closing the loss, I jumped straight into another trade. Bigger, riskier, desperate. I wasn't trading anymore. I was fighting the market. And every move I made only buried me deeper. There wasn't a dramatic moment. No lightning strike, just a slow collapse until I blew my second account. I remember staring at the balance, almost empty, and feeling nothing. No anger, no frustration, just exhaustion. 2 years of stress, charts, strategies, sleepless nights. For this, I was ready to quit. But instead, I asked a different question. Not, how do I predict better? But, what do professionals do differently? That question changed everything. I stopped chasing indicators and started studying psychology. And one idea kept repeating. Professionals don't focus on being right. They focus on execution. They don't predict. They think in probabilities. That was my turning point. I had it all backward. I was trading like a gambler, chasing jackpots. But professionals, they think like a casino. They don't care about one trade. They care about the edge. Over hundreds of trades, that shift changed everything. I didn't just tweak my strategy. I destroyed my old mindset and replaced it with rules. Rule 1, I am the casino. Casinos don't panic. They don't chase losses. They don't celebrate wins. They trust the math. So I became the casino. My strategy is my edge. My job is execution. Win or loss, irrelevant. And I made one rule non-negotiable. Never risk more than 1% per trade, because small risk means emotional control, and emotional control means survival. Rule 2, my results do not define me. Before, profit meant I'm a genius. Loss meant I'm a failure. That thinking destroys traders. So I changed the game. I stopped measuring success by money and started measuring it by discipline. At the end of each day, I asked, did I follow my plan? Did I respect my entry? Did I keep my stop loss intact? Did I let the trade play out? If yes, that's a win, even if I lost money. And if I broke rules but made profit, that's a loss, because luck is dangerous. Rule 3, losses are not pain. They are data. Losses stopped being emotional. They became information. Every loss answered a question. Was the setup weak? Did I ignore context? Was I impatient? I started journaling everything, not just numbers, but lessons. And something strange happened. I stopped fearing losses because they were teaching me. If this is hitting you right now, if you see yourself in this story, hit like, because this shift alone can save you years of frustration. The change wasn't instant, but it was real. Within months, The anxiety disappeared. The emotional roller coaster flattened. And my equity curve, it finally started moving up. Slowly, steadily, consistently. And here's the irony. The profits came when I stopped chasing them. Trading became quiet, systematic, even a little boring. And that's the secret. Because profitable trading isn't exciting. It's controlled. It's repetitive. It's disciplined. The moment you stop trying to win every trade is the moment you start winning the game. The market doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards consistency. You can't control the market, but you can always control yourself. And that's where the real edge is. Try this. For the next 7 days, ignore your profits. Ignore your losses. Judge yourself on one thing only. Did you follow your rules perfectly? If yes, you won. Do this for a week, and you'll feel the shift. If you want more content like this, real trading psychology, real discipline, subscribe, because this is what actually works. And if you've had your own turning point, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video.